If you're experiencing billing issues on Peacock TV, follow these steps to resolve them quickly and efficiently. This guide will help you identify and fix common problems. Step 1. Check your account information. Log into your Peacock TV account and verify that your billing information is correct. Ensure that your payment method is up to date and that there are no errors in your account details. Step 2. Review recent transactions. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If you find any issues or if your account information is correct but the problem persists, reach out to Peacock TV's customer support. Use the help section on their website or app to find the appropriate contact method, such as live chat or email. Step 4. Follow up on your requests. After contacting customer support, keep track of your request. Take note of any reference numbers or communication details provided. If you don't receive a response within the promised timeframe, follow up to ensure your issue is being addressed. Step 5. Monitor your account. Once your issue has been resolved, monitor your account for the next billing cycle. Ensure that the correct charges are applied and that there are no further discrepancies. If problems arise again, repeat the steps as necessary. By following these steps, you can effectively resolve any billing issues on Peacock TV. Remember to keep your account information updated and stay in touch with customer support if needed.